Holds it? Huh.
Holds it.
No, it's got ribs. That's what you're hearing.
Oh, the ribs are kind of holding it back?
Mm-hmm. Oh, it doesn't hold it back. That's the noise on the tires.
That's the noise on the tire.
Oh, I see. Mary knows what it is.
Yeah.
Better than Bella.
Uh-oh, we forgot the sign.
Oh.
You know where the sign goes?
Gotta go somewhere.
Look on the picture, see where the sign goes.
Is there more than one? I think there might be.
Oh, Thomas's paint comes off.
Just the paint pulls up.
Probably hard to see. Like his paint hat.
Well, eventually we might get to our packages.
This is what it's all about for me. I can't wait for Eric
I know.
at home too. Oh, there it is.
Do you know how to turn it off? Is that what you're looking for? I hear it turning outside.
I do too.
Can you turn it off?
No.
There's a switch on it.
It goes fast, doesn't it?
That's how fast he goes when he has brand new batteries.
Come on, Birdie. See
Do you think-
Birdie's face? See Birdie's face? Isn't that cute?
Do you think, Eric, that Thomas and Birdie will race?
Uh-huh.
Remember when they raced?
Thomas goes around and Birdie goes around. Hurry, Dad.
Did you find out where the sign goes?
Does it say it pulls off or does it say it has to go?
Sometimes screws better.
I already got screw out. There's probably more than one.
The initial ride.
Okay, throw the lever. Throw the lever.
Whoa!
There he goes. He's
Look at it. Look at Mom.
pulling Annie and Clarabelle.
Look, oh my gosh, there they go. Isn't it cool?
Oh no, you can't go down. You can't go up the hill.
You went up the hill, now down the hill, in the tunnel.
Woo!
What
He
happened?
jumped the track.
You can turn it around.
Don't pull them too hard and break them.
Okay. Say Merry Christmas. All right, that's a good one, you guys.
Because you were going to take that home today, but the little neighbor girl who's here visiting her grandma wants to come see that. So if she can come tomorrow, Mimi will bring it to your house. But you can take all the gifts out. Oh.
Can you smile?
Yeah.
Wait a minute, I have to get this camera open. That is perfect. Wowzers.
Can you smile?
Woo!
Can you smile like you're having fun?
Smile, Eric.
Okay, so now this is what we'll have to have you do. Mimi will have you open its mouth. You have to put your Game Boy down.
Give me your Game Boy. Come give it to Mom. Oh, now you're excited.
Okay.
Now we got some life in you.
To the mouth. Okay, pull open his mouth. Reach inside. Oh, don't let it bite you!
Is it not real? It
Pull
won't bite?
out. Pull it all out. Paper. Okay, pull. Okay, see what's in there.
What is it? It's clothes?
Well, what else?
What else is
Look on
it?
it. You have to look on it. Look on
Yep.
the socks. What's on there?
Airplanes!
Okay, let's get to the good stuff out the backside.
Out the backside?
That might sit better on the carpet without sliding around.
Okay, so this you get to take too. Okay, well, Mimi left it.
It's Chinese water torture.
Your mom and dad are going to love Mimi for this.
You already said what it was.
Okay, so you can pull it open. Pull down.
Pull down on it.
Oh!
Wow.
What is it?
Fruit!
It makes noise like your train
So
whistle.
blow through here. No, okay, same to you.
Here, let me show you.
That's really
And you put
cute.
your fingers over the holes. Okay, now here, open up this door. Okay, pull that.
Nice, nice, Dad.
Wow, what's in there? Okay, pull it out. Okay, what is that?
What is it?
What is it? It's the Viking child.
What is it, Eric? What is it? It's Legos.
Okay, here, there's more.
Good job.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Okay, I guess that's it. Close up the outside.
From the rear end of the giraffe. Race car Legos! Wow! We'll have to open that up and make something.
But see, this is the best part. From ages from 6 to 99.
That's right.
6 to 9.
Can you say thank
6 to
you?
99.
99.
Go give Mimi a hug and kiss and say thank you.
Want some
Thank
more?
Grandpa, too.
Yep, thank Papa.
There's more presents to come. Where's my hug? That's the puniest little hug. Oh, really strong. Show me how strong you are.
Give her a tight hug. Okay, go give Grandpa a hug and tell him thank you.
Oh.
Be careful of Dad.
Toy away from Daddy.
Oh, look, there's more. Look.
Who's that from? You know who that's from? That's from Kim, Lisa, Aunt Janet, and Uncle Ralph, I bet.
Yeah.
Go for it.
Sit down on the floor and open it. I always get the back end.
Oh, I didn't realize you were filming.
Oh, yeah.
I like it.
Oh my gosh, you might need
It's a
to-
box!
Okay, let's get that.
You're a shaker! Just like his dad.
Okay, let me cut the tape for you.
What do you think it is?
Oh!
What is it? It's a sippy cup! That's a pretty cool one with a straw.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay,
Look how the
else?
straw goes all the way around the outside. Whoops. In the turkey it went.
Wow, that Santa really brought you lots.
Are you trying to contemplate how to open that one up?
Wow. You need me to get that knife? Okay. Keep going, bud.
That paper that shiny stuff is hard to open, isn't it, Eric?
Oh, you're doing it though, big fella. Here, let Mimi hold on to this end. And just pull it out of there. Pull that thing out of there. Grab it all. Pull it out. You got it. Pull hard. I'll hold the paper.
Pull it out. Whoa! Wow! Look at all of those.
Wow.
With color crayons, I think. Yeah, that's cool.
Oh.
Yep. You get a big one?
What do you think's in that one, Eric?
I think it's a little girl.
Oh, just his size.
Holy moly!
Oh my God!
That's just like the kind out there that you rode on. Wow! Oh, you want to get it open? You want to open it up? Can you give it to Dad? Maybe Dad can help you open it up.
Wow, every kid needs a monster Tonka.
Can you say thank you to Aunt Janet and Uncle Ralph?
I have to come out and dig in the dirt.
Yep. When it gets a little warmer, we'll go out there and dig in the dirt. And drier.
And dryer.
When it's dirt, not mud.
This is the first big Tonka truck.
Yep. He doesn't have any Tonkas.
Really?
I know, it's a shame. It's so funny on Christmas Day when we had my mom over and stuff, we take turns opening gifts, and Eric was so patient for his turn to open up. I was amazed. He just didn't want to. He would wait his turn. He was doing really good.
Wow.
Holy moly!
You know, I had one really similar to this at your house. Yep. Put it on the carpet. On the carpet.
No.
Over here.
Move all your track out of the way.
No, it can't go not on the wood.
What?
Don't be cranky or we'll put it up.
It can dent the wood, so it's gotta go on the carpet.
Come and dig up all your track with it. Pick up your trains with it. That's kind of like the one that you were sitting on at Aunt Jen and Uncle Ralph's property. There you go.
Lever. You put it in there and then you dump it. Hi, buddy. Let's go see the surprise. What is it? Snow. 3 inches of snow. Hi, Keith. Pretty good. You wish that thing had 4-wheel drive now, I bet. Ha ha. That would be cool. I'm driving to Bend today. Woohoo! That? No. Taking that.
See the snow? You know what who comes when it snows?
You want me to take you to work and then pick you up?
No, because you probably won't be home by the time I get off work.
Can somebody give you a ride, do you think? What do you think of that stuff?
Like at 6 o'clock.
Pretty darn cool, huh?
Who can you build? Who can you build out there?
We could build a Frosty.
A Frosty!
No.
No?
No Frosties?
No.
Oh. That sure is cool though, huh? You want to get ready for the day and go play out there? Yeah? That'd be
Okay,
fun.
Mommy's got to go to work. Can you give me a kiss?
Pretty early in the morning, huh?
Okay, I'm going to pass you up to Daddy. Daddy can take care of you. New Year's Day, 2004, and we woke up to this. Right here. Are we ready to go? Look, Eric.
What do you guys think the sledding down?
Woo!
Wanna see?
There's Keith. Say hi, Keith and Shauna.
Hi.
Where were you guys this morning?
Playing in the snow.
We went driving.
Did you?
Testing on our cable.
Honey, don't. Your chains, do they work well?
Yeah, they work really good. Still sliding them though.
Yeah, I couldn't even
Let's
get
check
out
them out.
of
There's
Phil's
the
driveway
chain.
last night.
Yellow snow.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. I was gonna come over last night when we got home, but
What time did you guys get home?
Yeah.
12:30.
Hershey peed
Oh,
on it.
I was already in bed probably.
That's what I figured.
Okay, let's go.
Where are you guys going at?
Battery's too low. What?
Daddy.
Did it derail?
Yeah.
Bummer.
I want to see. I see Daddy.
Got a little bit of a winter wonderland out here today. Not so much the snow, we've had that for the last couple days, but this is the problem right here. 25 degrees, and it rained. On my butt. Steps. Needless to say, I don't think I'll be going into work today. Icicle Christmas lights, actual icicles. Some quite large ones too. Like that one goes clear to the ground. We drove her car yesterday, so it's not too bad. There's still a seam. You could probably open the door still if you wanted to. On the Buick, however, it hasn't been driven in a couple days. You noticed I've stopped breaking through the glass with the ice, so it's a little dangerous. As you can see in the Buick, no seam. Hard as a rock. Won't be opening that door. Let's see, what do we got? About 3/4 of an inch maybe. Snow on the bottom, ice on the top. Cool stuff. Yee. Ow. Yeah, I just ran into that frickin' thing. Hi, James.
Hi.
Making breakfast?
Yep.
Hi, Eric. You crashing your choo-choo trains? It's still cold and icy out there. It's really hard to walk. The ice is about 3/4 of an inch thick on top of the snow. We'll have to go out later and try not to get a concussion. Sound good?
But there's ice on those hard things.
Yeah, they're called icicles. It's because it rained and then it froze right on top, right where it landed. Makes the icicles. See you, dude. What are you doing? Are you skiing? Are you a pro skier? What are you doing? Huh?
You mind about this pancake food?
No, not at all.
You're looking pretty cool, Eric.
You want to go skiing with Daddy someday?
Yes.
Yeah? That'd be pretty cool. That'd make Daddy really happy.
I see.
You want to see yourself on the video? There you are. How are you gonna turn around?
I can't.
You're just gonna have to go backwards.
I gotta take this off.
Did you find him? Oh yeah. Where'd you find him at? Is Eric skiing?
I'm trying to get home.
Hey, you gotta step on these to get out. Stand up. Stand up. Turn around and look at my foot.
He needs a pole.
Turn around and look at my foot. Right down here.
Let mommy try yours. You know what? I bet you these don't fit anymore because these are 9s. And I can't wear 9 anymore. Because I was pregnant.
That'd be cute.
Well, at least we got shoes and bindings.
Will you try it?
These are mommy's boots.
Okay,
Nice
you
bindings,
try
too.
it.
That's one thing about my bindings, man. They're so heavy.
We got pretty state-of-the-art stuff when we bought it
This is
5 years ago, however long it was.
Mine was too. It's just I got the Cadillac with bindings.
Mm.
Something, I don't know, it was super heavy.
my this is soft.
Did you get Solomon?
I think so. I don't remember.
I got cheapy stuff.
No, wait, you have to
My parents
step
bought
on
it though.
this. Ah,
Free
I
to
didn't
me
pay for
is
mine either.
free to me is a very good price.
ah.
They'll probably be watching this someday thinking, that SOB.
You have to try this.
Saying we got him cheap stuff.
This you have to do.
Does it fit, James?
They're pretty tight. But
probably ski all day like that.
Well, are all the other adjustments backed off? The ones in your toe and around the ankle and stuff like that?
My toe, honey.
Is it around your calves that's too tight?
No, it's where my heel hits.
Like I can feel the.
Your bones grew?
What?
Did your bones grow? You know, the things that are in your foot? Did your bones grow?
Weird things happen to women when they get pregnant.
Fun? Why is it fun?
It's more fun on the snow. You ski on the snow.
Mommy, I'm going like this. Moves like this. That like this.
You jonesing for skiing, honey?
Yeah, I can see that.
I see.
Yeah, these would probably work actually. They're not that tight.
Well, and those.
And I could adjust these if we did.
Yep. And also,
I see.
you can adjust these back here too. Here, hold it and back up with it so it focuses. You can adjust these back here too. Actually, those are all backed
I
out
love that sound.
when they're on.
Train on the rails.
Hi, Uncle Chris.
Hi, Eric. How are you?
Pretty good.
Can you see Uncle Chris in the video?
No, he's looking at his
He's just seeing the carpeting.
These are nice.
Shocked?
What happened, Daddy?
Daddy
I
got,
got
shocked.
shocked.
Shocked?
Yeah, shocked my finger.
Oh.
Ow! Quit rubbing them on the carpet and touching me. Seriously, that builds up some serious shock power. I'm running.
Hello. Hello, Uncle Chris.
Hi, Eric.
I'm skiing, Eric.
Yep. I know you're skiing.
Mommy probably couldn't ski for like she'd have to go. She's gonna have to go on the tow rope again.
Bah.
I'm going to take Crystal on that
You'll
the first few
remember.
times.
Has she skied before?
Hello.
Can
Never?
you get me out of this
Well,
one?
yeah, you should get her a lesson so she doesn't get frustrated.
Oh yeah, definitely.
I didn't have no skiing lesson. Of course, the day I went, it was beautiful weather.
Neither did I, but after I took my
This
first lesson, after the
Thomas.
first time I went skiing,
Yeah.
I had a
see
much
you.
better time.
You realize, hey, wait a minute, this is how I'm supposed to do things.
I
Yeah, it was
lessons.
actually worthwhile.
Yeah, these are right.
Eric,
See.
I don't think I could probably ski in these all day, honey.
you gotta watch what you're doing on the video.
Yeah. These not gonna last. I'm gonna have to get new boots.
Maybe after you
I know that.
No, it's my
finish your,
foot.
your thing.
You're not gonna lose weight in your feet. Your feet flatten out when you
Yes.
get pregnant, and that's what the problem is.
Alright.
It's killing
Give me.
me. Like,
Hello.
my feet are already tingling.
Hashi. Skiing.
Hey, let me turn it off. Come here.
No.
Well, I hope they fit Pete, because if they don't, we can get some on eBay.
Yeah.
Hi, Uncle Chris.
But
Yeah, so
Hi, doing?
no,
Yeah.
just my boots. 'cause
The
we can
Thomas.
readjust those.
Going to take Thomas. They stop it! Oh!
But he recorded for a while.
That's good.
He had it on record.
We can go over it.
Oh, he's recording?
Yeah, I think he was being recorded.
He knows
Yeah.
how to record.
He's recording.
Hello.
Hello.
Hmm.
You gotta step in, send it in.
Maybe she does need to go on tour rope a couple times.
That's my favorite part.
Stuff it in.
Let's get getting into this piece.
It's,
I like how you have to go.
No.
it's mine too.
Little something cute going on.
Don't worry, we have our two with us. I do hope he doesn't try anything foolish. I'd be more concerned about her doing something than him.
What are you doing? Were you singing?
Dex.
Take a seat. I'll be right with you.
Were you singing?
Oh, yes, thank you.
You're still the same way with the camera. Whoa, watch what you're doing.
Baby, I want to hold it.
You gonna videotape me? Pointing at me. No, you gotta look at the picture. Wait, and point it at me till you see Daddy. Point it at me. Over here. Up here. Up here. Hi!
Who is it?
Where's what? Where's me?
Yeah.
You turned it off of me. Come on in, Hershey.
Ah!
No, you're naked. You can't record outside.
No, no,
You
no.
gotta get your clothes on.
Ah!
Clones. Are they friendly?
Well, it depends
Depends on what, Dex.
on how good your manners are. How big your pocketbook is.
Yeah, this is right before the move. We're moving in 3 weeks to our first house. Here's our wall of boxes. We're pretty excited about it. Oh, I'm gonna sign off. Say bye, Eric.
Bye.
Impossible. Perhaps the archives are incomplete.
Welcome to our new house. This is the second full day we've been here. It's Monday, March 12th. We're busy moving. And the little man is mowing the yard with his dad. Right there. He doesn't know I'm here yet.